So this is Esther at Online MediaWorks. I've been asked a couple of times this week about where the scheduling button has gone from your Facebook page. So if you go into Facebook to your page and you go to write a post, on this drop down here where it says share now, you used to have the option for scheduling, and now you've only got backdating and saving a draft. So if you go to this top bar here and you go to more and publishing tools, excuse me, and then in here you can go to create and then you can write a post. Now you have the option to schedule. Now I can't find this option on the app on my phone, so if you found it, perhaps you could let me know. The other way to do it, I think, from your phone is to save the draft and then go into your phone to set it up to post. But if you found another way, perhaps you could let me know. That would be great. But yes, if you're wondering about scheduling, I think Facebook have moved it. Anyway, I will look forward to your feedback on this. Let me know how you get on. Speak to you soon.